Good morning, everyone. I am Avni, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about WhatsApp to enable offline file sharing via Bluetooth. Controversy surrounds Google's project Nimbus Cloud Computing Initiative. Tesla plans new models by early 2025 to boost electric vehicle market presence. Apple to unveil revamped iPad Pro and iPad Air at virtual event on May 7. Intel develops Hala Point, the world's largest neuromorphic computer system. US Senate passes legislation giving ByteDance 9 months to divest TikTok's US assets. Google implements quick access to AI chatbot Gemini via Chrome's address bar, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice to stay up to date on all the latest tech news. WhatsApp is set to introduce a feature allowing users to share files like images, videos, and documents without an internet connection, leveraging Bluetooth for local sharing. Users will need to activate Bluetooth setting and have the same screen open in the app to share files locally, with encryption and end-to-end encryption ensuring security. The feature emphasizes user control as permission is required for devices to connect, and users can revoke location permissions from their phone settings at any time. Google's $1.2 billion cloud computing initiative with the Israeli government, known as Project Nimbus, has sparked controversy over concerns about potential misuse of AI and other technologies, despite aiming to provide public cloud services to sectors like healthcare, transportation, and education in Israel. Protests and layoffs within Google have ensued due to opposition to the project. Google Cloud will work with the Israeli public sector on best practices for cloud migration, integration, and optimization while providing training to enhance digital skills amidst protest from some employees. Tesla, led by Elon Musk, intends to increase production by 50% from 2023 without venturing into new manufacturing lines, aiming to scale up to nearly 3 million vehicles. CEO Elon Musk has announced plans to introduce new models by early 2025 to revitalize the company's position in the electric vehicle EV market. The promise of fresh vehicle offerings, including more affordable models, has instilled renewed optimism among investors, leading to a surge in Tesla's shares during after hours trading. Musk outlined ambitious plans for diversifying Tesla's business beyond automotive, envisioning forays into artificial intelligence, humanoid robots, and operating a vast fleet of autonomous vehicles. Apple has announced a virtual event on May 7 to unveil revamped versions of iPad Pro and iPad Air, aiming to counteract declining iPad sales. The event, anticipated to be a significant redesign of the lineup, comes amid declining sales and aims to introduce innovative products to boost revenue. In addition to the May event, Apple enthusiasts can anticipate the company's worldwide developers conference from June 10 to June 14, suggesting further product announcements. Intel has created Hala Point, the world's largest neuromorphic computer system, deployed at Sandia National Laboratories in New Mexico. Hala Point boasts 1152 Loihi 2 processors supporting up to 1.15 billion neurons and 128 billion synapses, distributed over 140,544 neuromorphic processing cores with the capacity for 20 quadrillion operations per second. Hala Point achieves 12 times higher performance than Intel's previous neuromorphic system, Pohiki Springs, while consuming 100 times less energy. Intel aims to advance large-scale AI technology through research with Hala Point, leveraging neuromorphic computing's efficiency and adaptability. The US Senate passed legislation giving ByteDance, TikTok's Chinese owner, 9 months to divest the US assets of the short video app or face a nationwide ban. President Joe Biden is expected to sign the bill into law, initiating a 270-day clock during which ByteDance must sell TikTok or face consequences. The legislation's passage and potential consequences highlight ongoing concerns about national security and data privacy, with TikTok expected to take legal action to halt the divestment process. Google is working on adding quick access to its AI chatbot Gemini via the address bar in Chrome, allowing users to talk to the bot by typing @Gemini. This feature streamlines access to Gemini, removing hindrances to accessing the official Gemini website, and is part of Google's efforts to integrate AI helpers like Gemini into the ecosystem. While Google implements Gemini in Chrome, rival Microsoft aggressively pushes its AI helper Copilot across Edge browser and Windows tablets, highlighting competition in the AI assistant space. This is Avni signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all the latest tech news.
आपको पता है एक अच्छा अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर कितना क्रूशियल है एक स्मॉल या मीडियम बिजनेस के लिए? ड्रॉप डाउन द कीवर्ड बिजनेस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो टू गेट द लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द टूल्स फ्रॉम ए टू जेड ऑफ आवर एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम लेकर आए हैं अल्फाबेट एक्स। एक्स से हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे ज़ेरो और एक्स फॉर्मरली नोन एज ट्विटर। ज़ेरो एक क्लाउड बेस्ड अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म है जो स्पेसिफिकली स्मॉल और मीडियम बिजनेस ओनर्स के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है। ज़ेरो आपकी इनवॉइसिंग, बैंक रिकंसिलिएशन, इन्वेंट्री, परचेजिंग, एक्सपेंसेस और बुक कीपिंग के अलावा कई टूल्स प्रोवाइड करता है जो आपके बिजनेस की फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ को ट्रैक करना आसान बनाता है। और अगला है एक्स। पहले जान जाता था ट्विटर के रूप में, बट एलॉन मस्क के खरीदने के बाद अब एक्स हो गया है। ये एक वाइडली यूज सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म है जो माइक्रो ब्लॉगिंग की सर्विसेज ऑफर करता है। यहाँ यूजर्स मैसेज पोस्ट कर सकते हैं, ट्वीट्स के थ्रू इंटरैक्ट कर सकते हैं और ग्लोबल ऑडियंस के साथ एंगेज कर सकते हैं। ये एक एसेंशियल टूल है फॉर बिजनेसेस टू मैनेज रियल टाइम कम्युनिकेशन, ब्रांड विजिबिलिटी, कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट एंड फॉर मार्केटिंग अलाइक। तो आज के एपिसोड में देखिए हमने एक्स से ज़ेरो और एक्स से कुछ खास फीचर्स। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट वाई के साथ।